respected juries, CC staff, teachers and dear friends, we the students of Government Degree College, Bhainsa, humbly submit our gratitude to Honorable Commissioner Ma'am and all the staff of the Commissionerate for devising such an innovative program Jignasa for us. We are very much grateful to our Principal Guchaya sir for his encouragement and our mentor Ravi Kumar sir for his constant cooperation for carrying out this project. Jignasa is a wonderful platform for the development of research tendency and to instill the scientific temper among the young brains. This is Yogita BSc 3rd year, this is Kirti BSc 3rd year, this is Ankita BSc 3rd year, this is Vamshi BCom 3rd year, this is Nitin BSc 3rd year. Over to Kirti.
Thank you, Yogita. The topic we selected under Jignasa is transliteration is better than ridiculous translation. A study on the ability of the readers in understanding the translated Telugu words from English by the Eenadu Daily. Introduction. Our project explains the intelligibility of translation of popular English words into Telugu by the Eenadu Telugu Daily. Language makes life easier to understand the culture and to communicate the message properly to the other person. Translation is the communication of the meaning of a source language text by means of an equivalent target language text. Accurate and professional translation serves the original purpose of translation, otherwise it will become a vain attempt. Importance. The topic we selected for the project is befitting because translation plays an important role in any language. Instead of true translation, appropriate translation makes a meaningful communication. Mere translation doesn't make meaningful communication. So we should careful about meaningful translation. Over to Ankita.
Thank you, Kirti. Translation strategies. First one, partial translation. Second one, transliteration. Third one, equivalent. Now first one, partial translation. A part or parts of source language text are left untranslated. That is, source language plus target language is equal to translated word. Example, folic acid, folic amlam. Computer science, computer shastram. Second one, transliteration is the process of transferring a word alphabet of one language to another. Example, photo engineer. Third one, equivalent, the translation of corresponding word or expression in another language. Example, cell phone, charavani. Internet, antarjalam. Over to Vamshi.
The following are our objectives. To become aware of the significance of translation from one language to other. Point 2. To familiarize ourselves toward how does improper translation leads to communication lapse. Point 3. To identify the ability of the readers in understanding the newly translated words into Telugu from English by the Eenadu Daily. 4th point. To find out the basic reasons behind misunderstanding of the meaning. 5th point. To sensitize people towards the significance of the using English words as it is in Telugu script. The hypothesis. The hypothesis we constructed was H1. The readers write the right word or meaning in Telugu to the given words. Thank you. Over to Nitin.
Thank you, Vamshi. Methodology. The sampling technique adopted is simple random probability sampling. Our target population is capital N equals to 100 regular newspaper readers. Out of this, we selected the 50 candidates. Therefore, small n equals to 50. The data collection tool we adopted is questionnaire. We distributed the list containing 31 Telugu words translated from English by the Eenadu Daily. In recent years to 50. They are Abhinetra, Gaganasaki, Valayadikari, Steyastavaram, Shodhakuru, and we asked them to write the meaning of those words. When we observed this response, we understood that the most subjects wrote the incorrect meaning and a few wrote the English words for the Telugu words in the Telugu or English script. Number of participants are 50. Number of participants correctly responded equals to 0. High number of readers responded correctly to 2 words. They are Niganitran, CC camera and Facebook, Mukha Pustakam. And no readers responded correctly to the word number 30, that is Uddharita, means lift. It is also observed that the participant gets to the meaning of some words, which when the translation was meaningful, and all the readers attempted at least 10 words. This means they were unable to guess its meaning. Over to Yogita.
Thank you, Nitin. Reasons. The reason behind not understanding the Telugu words is they are not familiar to the readers because they didn't see such words in their mother tongue while learning. These words are intentionally translated without any linguistic based and cultural support. The translation seems to be truly artificial. Therefore, when such situation arises, it is better to use transliteration. Recommendations. The study reveals that the readers are familiar with English words only rather than the translated Telugu words. So instead of trying to include the newly created Telugu words, we can use the English word as it is, but in Telugu script. Engineer as engineer, video conference as video conference. In English, there are many loan words. From other languages. Even from Telugu, many words taken into Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary such as masala, puri, vada, yak, chamcha, etc. Over to Kirti.
Thank you, Yogita. Conclusion. Our study reveals that one has to use the words which are communicatively competent without taking into consideration the language from which they are borrowed. In order to save a language from extinction, it is better to borrow the popular other language words into our language. It is difficult and artificial trying to translate such words into our regional languages. Moreover, the translated words are unintelligible. As people are comfortable with English words, so let us accept these words and use in our language in our script. That is transliteration. If we do so, the regional languages vocabulary will be developed and will be saved from extinction. The proposed hypothesis rejected. Thank you.
Thank you.